Right, welcome back to another one. And today, Owen and I have been working on this 2015 A6 all-road. So obviously that's the slightly jacked up one with the extra fendery bits and pieces and stuff like that. Beefier looking motor. It's quite nice, to be fair. And it's come in today for a little bit of modernisation in terms of CarPlay and then a factory fitted tow bar. So first off, CarPlay, you all know how it all works and everything like that. But in terms of the system that's been fitted in this one, this is an ID core system. So again, separate module that gets fitted out the way, tucked away within the dash. And then it talks to the, what is in this one, an MMI 3G unit. So it also then has the AMI plug, which in this car isn't in the glove box, it's back in the rear armrest in the center console. So I had to do a nice bit of routing the cable through, which meant I had to release all that center console to get that through. But what that means is, because it's going in through the AMI socket, which is like your auxiliary if you like, as with a lot of all the other systems we fit, it's going through that auxiliary system. So it's like you plugging your phone into there and then it passing through, and that's how the audio works. So when you're in your media settings, as long as that is set to aux, it'll be external input, I think. As long as that's selected, then all your sound, music, everything will then come through through that. So if for some reason you had this fitted and then one day you were using it and it wasn't coming through and you checked that and it wasn't on that setting in media, that'd be why your sound isn't coming through. But yeah, really nice system. Obviously once it's in and working, then CarPlay is CarPlay. Because it's just built into your phone and it works in exactly the same way. It just uses the or the MMI system for talking to it and controlling it and things like that. So it works really, really well. So that's that. So then let's go and have a look at the tow bar quickly, shall we? So as you can see, this is a TowTrust tow bar. It works in exactly the same way as the Westphalia ones, and it's just a removable one. And I imagine you've probably watched a lot of the videos. You just use the key to unlock it in the side here, and then you've got to push the wheel in, if you like, the handle wheel. It's sprung loaded, so it's quite stiff. You then twist it upwards until you get the red marker, and then you can release the tow bar. Comes out nice and easy. It's like a kind of quick release system. And then obviously once you've then popped it back in, as long as you lock it, it stays in there and you're all good. This is 13 pin dedicated electrics, which means that it has all the CAN interface and everything that then speaks to where the factory wiring would all be in the back right hand side of these cars. So that means it then interacts with all of the parking system. So as soon as the electrics are plugged in, the car realizes that, and as soon as it goes into reverse, obviously all your brakes and everything come on, and then reverse light comes on, and then what it's done is it's knocked out the rear sensors. So obviously I'm now sat at the back of the car, and we should be able to hear the sensors beeping away solidly, but they're not, because it knows that something is plugged in, and therefore there's invariably something here. Along with that, obviously all the lights work, so reverse, brakes, your side lights, your indicators, your fog light, all comes on and works as it should do, basically, all seamlessly as if it was fitted from factory. All goes in nice and neatly. Everything gets torqued up as it should do, so you have nothing to worry about, and it's just good to go, good to use straight away. So that's about it, really. It's a tow bar, does exactly as it says on the tin. So if you've got something like a car like this, obviously I imagine these are probably pretty popular being the all-roads. I imagine they've got a pretty good towing capacity on them. If you've got something like this and you want to upgrade your your car, modernise it a bit with CarPlay and things, or bung a tow bar on it, or anything else that we might do for these, get in contact, bung us over the information about your car, and we'll see what it is that you'd like and see how we can help you out. In the meantime, like and subscribe, watch all the rest of the videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.